You do not need your own trading strategy to run a trading bot. And honestly, if you're new, you probably shouldn't use your own because your strategy is probably a guess. And right now, there are experienced traders publishing their own strategies on a marketplace for everyone to see, with live track records showing every single trade, real results that cannot be edited, no screenshots. So you can see exactly what's working right now, how it's performed in the past, before you ever put a dollar on the line. You pick the strategy you want, ideally one that's working. You connect it to your own brokerage account. Your money never leaves your brokerage account, and the bot copies every trade for you automatically. So in this video, I'm setting one up from scratch live on screen. And by the end, you're going to see it place its first trades. Let's build it. Okay, so where this all takes place is on a site called AlphaInsider.com with over $10 million in broker connected assets, over 15,000 users, and now over 5,000 trading strategies that are all being tracked live. And this number continues to increase every single day, and as of late, kind of dramatically. If you scroll down, you can see how it all works and everything, but this right here is the strategy marketplace. Here's what the strategy marketplace is going to look like when you don't have an account, and here's how it's going to look like when you do have an account and when you do have some trading bots that are live at the top of your screen. I've got 2 bots going right now. I'm in the works on building out a live alpaca account. This one, stay tuned for a future video. We're going to be diving deeper into that. It's actually a really cool video where I'm having Claude build out multiple trading strategies that we're going to use and run in that account. But we're going to be using Hyperliquid today. That's just my preference. So on this page, it could be a bit overwhelming at first, but as you scroll down, you'll be able to see more and more trading strategies, load more and more trading strategies. And every time you like something or you're interested in something, you can click into the strategy and you can see more details. You might have a description that might even link out to a link to TradingView, which then allows you to see the source code. So you can actually grab the PineScript code, edit it, customize it with AI, make it your own, and then use it however you want on whatever assets you choose. But you don't have to do that. Using the search bar right here, I'm able to search for exactly what I'm looking for. And so I can sort by crypto and strategies that have at least 20 trades on them. And now I've got a list of more active trading strategies. From here, I can sort by performance. And now I've got a list of crypto strategies that have more than 20 trades and that are sorted by the best to worst. So I've currently got the time frame set to 1 year. And if you do look at the past year in crypto, the past like 6 months specifically, it has not been the best. So considering that, we do have strategies here on the screen that are profitable, which is a good sign. But if I zoom this out over the past 5 years, I'm going to see some strategies that have substantially higher returns on this chart. So we got one here with 100%, one here that's up 500%. That's kind of crazy. It's up 500%. This one was even better, but now it's 365. This one right here, 317. Now, all the dots that you see on the chart, those are all trades being taken. So we can see this one right here has been pretty active, or really all the ones that we're looking at here have been pretty active, except this guy and this guy seemingly got out of some trades recently, or I guess a few years ago, looking back on the charts back in 2024, and have not entered a trade since. So if I'm looking at these strategies and I want a more active trading bot, am I going to add those to my bot? No, because they haven't taken a trade in so long. Either they're no longer active strategies, or they just simply have logic that has had them sitting out for all this time. So what I've actually gone ahead and done myself to save some time is I've sorted through a bunch of these strategies and I've built out a massive list of subscriptions that I can see up in the top right on my account. And so I've effectively saved a bunch of these on my list. And the ones that I've saved to my list now have an auto trade icon here. And if I were to go back to the strategies that I had before, you see some of them have a subscribe icon. That means I have yet to subscribe. And once I subscribe, it'll then give me the auto trade icon, even though I don't technically have to subscribe to a strategy to have it auto traded. For example, click on subscribe, and instead of clicking subscribe, I could just click on auto trade and it will prompt me with making a new bot. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to create a trading bot that has 3 trading strategies so I can diversify it. This way, I'm not all tied in on one strategy. This is a massive thing that no one really talks about in the trading bot or trading automation space, because right now, a lot of people are very excited about the ability to automate their trades with things like AI agents and using the power of AI so that they can remove themselves from having to do all of the work, the analysis, the pressing of the buttons, etc. There are 2 glaring problems with that. One, it's not very easy to create a bot that has multiple trading strategies, not just one trading strategy, that trade on the same account. And 2, if you create some sort of logic with Claude, ChatGPT, whatever AI you're using, you probably don't have data on how it's performed. You might, if you go deep enough, you might be able to build out some sort of Monte Carlo simulation or backtest a strategy. There are places where you can backtest these days, But do you actually know that the strategy is going to trade like the backtest because of things like curve fitting, repainting? Those are some concerns which this site completely eliminates because we get to see exactly how the strategies are actually trading. These are all live trades that are all being tracked in real time. So if I click into the strategy right here, which I'm going to add to my new trading bot because I do like this one specifically. If I scroll down, I can actually see all the verified trades. And if I hover over the date, I can see the exact time that these trades went live. And then of course, the price points. For whatever you make with AI right now, you're just not going to have a track record. You're just not, unless you have some sort of way to backtest, confirm the backtest, or you have enough data now that you've been trading for a long enough time to where you can trust the AI model, the AI agent, to actually make money and be profitable. That's not saying that this trading strategy or any strategy you find on the site can't just completely implode. It can. Anything can happen. But at least we have a track record of data to rely upon before we decide to put our money into something and literally turn over the keys. Okay, so I'm going to add this to my bot. Now, really quick, if you don't want to do this and you're like a little scared and you're like, oh my God, I'm not sure if I really want to go this route yet, you can click on this little notification bell icon right here and you can actually get alerted every time it takes a trade. Now, if it's a crypto strategy like this one, you know, for example, if I can hover over some of these times, 11 a.m., this one went live 11 a.m., this one was at 5 a.m. Now, maybe I'm going to be around, maybe I'm not. And if I'm not around, I'm not going to get the exact same fills. So if I have to do it manually, I could go this route. But if your strategy has a track record of taking a lot of trades overnight, it's probably better to automate. Or if you're not willing to automate, pick something else that you can be on top of so you can execute the trades manually just to test things out, get a good feel for it before you decide to automate. Okay, so let's say that I wanted to add this strategy to a new trading bot or to an existing trading bot. That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go up to where it says auto trade right here. And then if I don't already have one, I'll click on a new broker connection. In this example, I'm going to use Hyperliquid. If you follow the instructions or the video right here, it walks you through everything. But essentially, once you fund your Hyperliquid account, you enter the public and private API keys, which allows actions to be performed on your behalf without having withdrawal permissions. And then I'll get to a page that looks like this, and I can specify the amount of my account that I want to dedicate to this trading strategy. So I want to have an account with 3 trading strategies and dedicate 33% roughly to each of them. So I'm going to type 33, then I'm going to click on save. Now it's going to rebalance my trading bot based on this trading strategy. And we can see if I go into this right here, we have a current long position, it looks like, on ETH as we speak. So now my trading account on Hyperliquid should now have a long position on ETH and ETH only, because this is the only trading strategy inside of my trading bot. And if I look at my account, I can see right here, we now have a position on ETH, and that is the only position in this account. I had some positions in the past, so it cleaned out those positions and it kept the ETH. So don't worry too much about these numbers. That's because I've been in trades on this account for quite some time. But now I can see my balance. I can see the performance over time, which we've done quite well over the past couple of months, despite crypto not doing well inside of this crypto trading bot, which is pretty sweet. And the next step here is I want to click on new allocations. Click on this, and now I'm going to add more strategies to this trading bot. So here's where it's easier if you already had it in your subscriptions, because you can easily search through that, or your portfolio, which is like if you bring your own strategies in. And that's a bit more advanced for this video. But if I don't want to do that and I want to see a visual, I can always go back to the home page. I can always sort by crypto strategies, look at the past 5 years, by performance, and essentially get back to a page where I can see better visuals and then decide which ones I want to add to my trading bot next. So this one right here, this Bitcoin and ETH long strategy right here, I've looked deeper into this one. I like this one quite some bit. I'd recommend doing some research if there is a description or if there is a link to TradingView, checking it out before you just jump right into the strategy. But at the end of the day, performance is performance. And so you might not have to even do that, or you might not want to even take the time to do that. That's totally up to you, but I'd recommend more research the better. Click on auto trade. Now I'm going to add it to my existing Hyperliquid bot. It's going to bring up my now 2 allocations here. So I'm going to add 33% to this guy. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to add one more that I also have right here. And I'm going to add 33% there as well. And you can't go above. Now you can also break it up by dollar amounts. So if you don't want to do percentages, you can break it up by dollars. That's up to you. And then click on save. And now it's going to rebalance based on all the positions in all of these trading strategies across all these accounts. So watch this. Now, once this stops rebalancing, I'm going to go back to Hyperliquid. And now I can see all the positions that are all a part of all of those trading strategies, now all taken care of for me. I didn't do any of that manually. Once I added the strategies, if they currently are long or short positions, it'll take care of that for you on your behalf. And then the strategy all takes care of itself, balancing things out as new trades occur, as some trades close out all the time 24/7 without you having to do anything. So now I can watch performance, I can monitor the strategies, and then I can go back to my subscriptions list and monitor other ones that I might consider adding to my portfolio over time. What I like to personally do, and this is what I would recommend, if you're watching stuff on the site, we generally don't see something going straight up forever and ever and ever. So if you're in a strategy that's doing quite well and it's outperforming almost everything by miles and miles and miles performance-wise, it might not be a bad idea to lower your allocation to that strategy. I'm not telling you what to do, but it might not be a bad idea to do that, because this way you can diversify and spread your risk out across other strategies and at least take some profits kind of off the table by not being overly leveraged or too heavy in one given strategy. But the link to AlphaInsider is below this video if you want to check it out, get signed up for free, and start building this out. If you wanted to do this completely for free, you can actually automate your first trading strategy for free. If you wanted to go the stock route and not automate crypto, you can absolutely do that, but you will need to have $2,000 in your account as the minimum, which is now the minimum for a margin account. In the past, it used to be 25,000. Now we're down to 2, which gives you access to margin, essentially leverage, and the ability to day trade in and out as many times as you would like. Leave any questions in the comment section down below. Happy trading, and I hope this helps get you started building out your first trading bot.